come in. Let me just set it up, okay? Set it up quickly. But you don't need this ones for now. Yeah?
You keep embarrassing me everywhere. What's your problem? So I should not talk to my friend from university. If I see my friend from university, I should not say hi to her. And then this smoke you sound like you have to believe me. It's a relationship. Baby, wait. Baby, wait. No. I'm break my leg now. I don't care. My next. You want a big liar and a cheat. No, baby, don't say cheating. I'm tired of all this back and forth with you. This is going to be the last time. I mean it. Really? I'll change my mind.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Text my G. You don't T. I only call you since. Where you keep your assets?
Dad, when you call me that time, I have to put my phone off because you wanna be happy. I'm like,
What was your first crush like? How did it feel? My entire family, everyone was saying, everyone advised me, everyone told me different things, but I was in love. All I could think about was that guy. And then one day, I woke the hell up. Sometimes, when a guy knows you like him,
Okay, love. Have a seat.
hello.
Good boy. Wow. Yes. Let's just.
and I'll never stop loving you.
Do you like
I
it?
love you too.
Do you like it, baby?
Thank you so much.
You can move forward and backward, okay? Go there and back. Yay! Is the wheels locked?
Yeah,
I think.
How you doing?
I think the wheels is locked.
I've been waiting for you to call me. Today's Thursday. What's going on? Are we still meeting up or you want
Yeah.
to make plans with somebody else?
It's
No, why are
okay.
you talking like that now? Come on.